Hey, what's cooking, V Crew? I think I'll call you guys that now, the V Crew. I just woke up day 20 of Pound for Pound Diet Vlog Challenge, and I feel like cooking, so let's go at it. First things first, gym time. It's done. I did a bunch of weight training today and only about 10 minutes of cardio. Oh my, the same glove I have is on the ground. What? Got the same glove. I could have had an extra glove. Did mostly weight training. I feel good. I was kind of cramping up at the end. I'm gonna have myself some banana. Probably need more potassium or something. More electrolytes. Alright, we'll see you there. Alright, I know that I had cooked food earlier. That's just because I didn't want to cook food later, but we are having a strawberry, banana, yogurt, soy milk post-workout smoothie with a few ice cubes. And yeah, I think this is important. I want to talk about carbs. The idea that carbs are used for energy is not a myth. I want to say if you cut carbs out of your diet, you're going to start to use protein, aka amino acids, in order to replenish your energy, and you want to use carbohydrates to replenish your energy, not your protein. Protein's good for building your muscle. Think of it, I use the analogy as muscles are the wall of your house. You don't want to break down protein just to use it for energy. You actually want to use carbohydrates for energy. My analogy is, do you want to get lumber from Home Depot to build the walls of your house, or do you want to tear down the walls of your house to build the walls of your house? And that's kind of what's happening when you deprive yourself of carbohydrates after you and then work out and you don't get enough carbs. It's kind of counterintuitive. Break down your walls to build walls. No, get the lumber from Home Depot, carbs, and you let the protein do its job to build your muscle. Alright? I almost forgot to add, it's Monday today, and it's President's Day. Oh, my key to my car's bag. Ooh. The car is back. Ooh. Oh, I'm so happy my car's back. Yeah. It's President's Day. I don't even know what this day is for. For the president? It's the day for Donald Trump? Okay. We're doing good, guys. We're going strong. The V Crew is losing weight, and we're back at it again with the no calorie chai tea and black coffee. Calories are totally low right now. I wonder what I'm gonna eat later. I'll see you then. You notice that I have a little smaller portion because I plan on eating again after I do a little studying. I have a bunch of work I gotta do, and that means I gotta stay up, so I thought it would be a bad idea to eat an insane amount of food, because that would probably make me sleepy and I'd probably just knock out on the bed and get nothing done. So I didn't want my blood sugar to spike up really high tonight because I needed to be up. So we're having the chicken and vegetable medley. You know, kind of like an Asian thing. I'm having a vitamin supplement today. I think it's good to take a vitamin if you're not sure if you're getting your micronutrients all the time. But if you're eating vegetables, I wouldn't say you need one every day. So even every 2 or 3 days, it's fine. It's better than, you know, missing out on stuff you really need. And some more lemonade, fresh squeezed. And that thing is lasting me a long time. I'm really happy I made that lemonade. And it's good too. Estimated calories, I'm going to say this is about 500 calories. I don't know if it's true or not. That's just an estimation, but so far I've burned, it says 2662 calories according to Fitbit. This morning I had a shake, whatever. Let's say it's 500 calories. Let's say this meal is 500 calories. That means I can fit one more meal, you know, and it'll be under my target. Okay, I'm back. I re-looked at some of the footage that I filmed, and what the heck is this? I need to get a haircut because that's kind of is annoying me. Alright, I did a little studying and my appetite came back, so I'm just having another serving of what I was having. Alright, and then after that I'm probably just gonna hit the hay after a little more reading of pregnancy. I'm studying about pregnancy and diabetes and stuff, so you know, fun stuff. Alright, well, that's pretty much all I have for today. I just have one message for you. Is to eat well, and I'm out.